Cheers.
Traditional Italian Lucca sandwich. Welcome to another What I Eat In episode. Today's What I Eat In is in San Diego. I'm here from Thursday to Sunday for a wedding, but we are going to be exploring some food today and Sunday mostly. I do have a previous vlog in San Diego and I did go to really great places like Isola, the famous croissant place here in San Diego, and other things too. But today we are checking out some sandwiches, poke, maybe tacos, acai bowls, and whatever else we are craving. We just flew in from San Diego Airport, so we're gonna be starting in downtown at Lucca Italian Sandwich Shop. We're excited because we saw that they have these focaccia bread sandwiches. We're also craving some Vietnamese coffee, so I saw that Saigon is a pretty popular place. Yeah, we'll take you along and show you all of the food, eats, and fun.
Yeah, anytime.
This is the Lucca sandwich. Wow, this looks really good.
Cheers.
Let's take a bite. This is huge.
Wow. Wow.
Oh my god. It's so good.
The bread is different. Wow.
It's like fluffy, but it's also like crispy, crunchy.
I should have bought a second sandwich.
But it's still.
Look at this meat.
It's the cream that's super good. It like ties everything together and all of the layers of meat and how much arugula they put. Absolutely delicious. This is a great start to our foodie trip here. We were very happy and satisfied with our sandwich. We actually were planning to bring it to the beach, but it was so good that you just had to eat it on the spot. I would say that this is probably the best sandwich I've ever had. Honestly, I love focaccia sandwiches, but this beats my favorite al lentico vinayo in like Las Vegas and Europe, even though I haven't tried the Europe one, but the focaccia bread was crunchy. It was perfectly baked. We got there at a really good time. There was no line. They are open 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. I'm not sure if they have any days that they're closed, but it's right in front of the WeWork building in downtown San Diego. So my only critique is that parking is a little bit challenging to find, especially on a weekday. We were able to find parking in a parking garage nearby. It's expensive. It's $4 every 15 minutes. The line picked up as we were leaving, and so I do hear that some people wait 30 minutes in line for the sandwich and then wait another 30 minutes just to receive the sandwich because they have to prepare it in their mini shop. But again, we're starting off strong in San Diego with this food recommendation.
Short line, amazing sandwich, amazing experience. Makes me want to be Italian.
This is her matcha.
Oh, really?
such a cute matcha holder and like matcha cups. Wow. The leopard one, yeah. How cool is that? Wow, like they have a lot of cool things. We are here in North Park of San Diego. We stopped at Saigon Coffee and then next door was this shop called June. It is such a cute store filled with like so many crafts, very unique things. So we ended up getting a card for Mira and Joseph and it says, "Time to pop some bubbly, cheers to you too." So I love always supporting small businesses for cards, especially for, you know, special occasions, because Target already charges a lot. Might as well spend a couple more dollars and support a small business. I also got Nami matcha, which I'm super excited to try. Your Mom Ashley is one of my favorite influencers to watch, especially on YouTube. I have not tried her matcha yet, so I'm really excited to try this. Shauna and I were just talking about how this is a matcha we really want to try. Hopefully you'll see our review soon. Saigon Coffee was another 10 out of 10. We love their coffee. Francis got the Two's super strong coffee, something along those lines. That was very tasty. It didn't taste too strong. It was perfectly sweet and I really liked it. And I got the egg coffee. I'm still drinking a little bit. I love the egg coffee cream top. Their Vietnamese coffee is really good. We feel awake now, especially having a morning since 4 a.m. this morning. Right now it is almost noon. Now we're gonna go and get some acai bowls at this place called Juice Wave. I saw it on TikTok and they cut their strawberries very small and like stack it all on top, so I'm really excited to try. It has 5 stars on Yelp, so we'll see if we hit another 10 out of 10 place. This is the prettiest acai bowl I've ever gotten. Oh my gosh, I don't even know how to eat this. So I got the acai bowl, which was $14.50, and then I added almond butter for $1.50, so $16 for this bowl. So pretty steep. The presentation is beautiful, and I love how they cut up the strawberries so thin and small. I don't even know if I should eat this in here. Maybe I should eat this outside. I literally like walked across the street because it is a little challenging to find parking. I was eating it like ice cream. Can you try it?
Yeah.
I can eat it like an ice cream. I'm not a huge fan of the actual granola, but the acai base is super thick, ice cream thick. The fruit is so fresh and delicious. And I do like the almond butter. Tastes like ice cream. The granola is pretty toasted and they come in clusters like this. So it's not my favorite. I do like more crushed granola because it's pretty toasted. I'm not the biggest fan. Everything else is amazing. So I'd give this acai bowl a 4 out of 5. Would you rate this?
I give it like a 7 out of 10.
Here at Wind and Sea Beach in La Jolla. This is both Francis and I's first time in La Jolla, and it's beautiful.
Yeah, it's really nice here.
It's very relaxing. There's so many people just laying out right there. Some people are reading, tanning, but there's not much sun. Still a beautiful day. We just got done roaming around Westfield UTC. We were here for about 3 hours. We were gonna go get poke, but we are pivoting plans. We're gonna get some kava. If you haven't heard of kava before, kava is a SoCal and I think other states too. It's basically like Mediterranean Chipotle, but it's way better. It's my favorite, and Francis eats Chipotle at least once or twice a week, so this is gonna be his first time, and he loves Mediterranean food, so I'm excited to take him. Try this blueberry, is it blueberry lemonade? It's yummy. It's like very light. It's not so...
It is very light, wow.
I like it. It's not like super sweet. Do you want to try a pita bread?
Yeah, I'm down.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Their chicken is fire.
I can see why this would be like a contender with Chipotle. Definitely the same style, but just Mediterranean. But honestly, yeah.
I think the flavors are better because
The flavors are better.
they drizzle the sauces on top. The way that the meat is marinated is perfect. It has depths of spices to it. I don't know. I just love it. I wish they had this in Northern California.
Hopefully coming soon.
Good morning. It's another beautiful day in sunny San Diego. Francis and I just finished eating with our friends here at Pho Hoa. Sorry I don't have any videos of it. I just have a video of the outside of the restaurant. But it's a very great spot to get a big bowl of pho and some Vietnamese iced coffee. So definitely check this place out.
Avocado share.
Perfect. Lunch anything, and I'll just reset you from that. Get you ready to try our favorites. Italian summer menu, so we're going to go light to rich to those two. Starting off on the right here with pesto electric crunch, which we're making way down. This one's essentially a triple lemon sorbet. So we start with lemon juice and lemon zest in a water base, and then we add in Billamassa lemon chili. Very bright, summery flavor. Jumping into our dairy bases, we have our loose whip back. This one highlights a lot of classic Italian flavors. We start with a creamy ricotta and lemon base. We add in lemon juice, infused olive oil, as well as our house roasted pistachios. So you're gonna get a nice crunchy texture. This one's inspired by a traditional Italian butter and sage pasta dish. We start with that rock art base. We infuse the sage so it has more flavor, and then we sweeten it with chocolate and amaretto. Really balances out the flavor. I really like that one. Fedora. This one's one of my all-time favorites. Our take on tiramisu. We start with a mascarpone coffee and cognac base. We take our vanilla sponge cake, soak it in that coffee and cognac, and then we layer it on.
That's good. I really like that one too. Yeah, I love tiramisu.
Canvas. This is the flavor that really put us on the map a while back. This is a sweet cream and olive oil gelato. We steam it fresh rosemary. Which you're welcome to get with or without, but it really had
Yeah, the salt is really good.
I love the salt.
That tastes better than salt and straw.
Yeah.
Our next one is our full grain lovers, one of our all-time bestsellers. Our butter base, we have our house made cookies, so chocolate chip cookies and brownies mixed together. Kind of like our version of milk and keto. There's a lot of richness from that brown butter, kind of gives it like a coffee, butterscotch. flavors. Oh my god, I'm sorry, I thought you ordered one. I'm sorry.
You're silly. We just finished eating at Anne's Gelato, or Anne's Laundromat, or no, dry
cleaning.
Anne's Dry Cleaning. What a cool concept. This is the first location. The second location that they just opened is called Anne's Hat Makers, and it's in Del Mar, so a little bit up north. This one is closer to central San Diego, like downtown, 15 to 20 minutes from the San Diego airport. This place is rated to be apparently the top ice cream shop in America. I don't know if it's still holding that title in 2025, but it was very delicious. We got this brown butter sage amaretto flavor. It was called the loafer. He got an olive oil and rosemary flavor, and I got something similar to a tiramisu flavor. Both delicious. I will say Francis's was a little bit better because the salt on the olive oil really brought out all the flavors. But what's nice is, as you saw earlier, it's an experience. So the lines are long. We did wait in line for about 30 minutes outside. It's because when you do go in there, they let you try all of the flavors. The flavors are rotational. They said that they change it about every 2 to 4 weeks, but in the summer they do stay longer because these are their summer hits, or the best flavors that they have all year long. We do recommend trying out this place. The gelato does melt a little fast, so keep that in mind when ordering. We did both get 2 talls with any size, the small or the tall, or the waffle cone, which is known as the starch. You do get 2 flavors.
Definitely a 10 out of 10 in my book. The flavors were really delicious, and the experience overall was what made it so amazing. It really felt like I was talking to an ice cream curator. I was like going to a wine tasting but for coffee.
Yes, yeah, or for ice cream. Hi, can we get the poke nachos, please?
Cheers.
That's fire. The tuna's really good.
Yeah. The tuna's really good, and the spiciness is perfect.
Oh, spicy.
I'm surprised you wanted spicier. I thought you can't handle spicy.
Oh no. The fish eggs, the roe, made me want it more. ASMR.
Chips are crunching.
Yeah, the wonton chips are fire. This usually comes with avocado, but since Francis is allergic, we said no avocado. And from 3 to 5 every day, it's $2 off poke.
Okay, before you drop it on the table again. She does that. It fell in the tray, don't worry.
Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.
Thank you.
That's it.
Just kidding. No, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.